Vacuum storage bags can save a surprising amount of space during a move. But should you vacuum pack everything that fits inside one? Definitely not. Vacuum bags work best for soft, compressible belongings like everyday clothes, t-shirts, jeans, towels, sheets, linens, and synthetic blankets. But use caution with delicate fabrics, structured suits and dresses, and leather, wool, cashmere, and down or feather-filled items, especially if they'll stay compressed for a long time. Before vacuum packing anything, make sure it's clean and completely dry. Trapped moisture can lead to odors and other moisture-related problems. When packing clothes, fold them neatly instead of stuffing them into the bag. Don't overfill it and keep zippers, buckles, hooks, and other sharp parts away from the plastic. Once the bag is sealed, remove the air gradually according to the manufacturer's instructions and check for leaks. Now, here's the most important thing to remember. Vacuum packing saves space, not weight. Your clothes don't become significantly lighter when the air is removed. In fact, compressed bags can become surprisingly heavy because you're fitting more items into a smaller space, so avoid overloading your moving boxes. For a long-distance move, vacuum bags can be especially useful for organizing clothes and bedding, but place the compressed bags inside sturdy moving boxes, totes, or suitcases. The plastic bag itself can be punctured during handling. The key takeaway is simple. Use vacuum bags for soft, compressible items, keep delicate belongings out, and remember that you're reducing space, not weight. Want more expert moving tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving guides and relocation tips.